Hello everybody. This is the Advent of Code puzzle solving channel. Each day in December I will be solving Advent of Code, and I'm trying to post them to the YouTube as well. So Advent of Code is this kind of challenge that happens every December. Every day there will be new puzzle that's going live. It is 7 a.m. in the morning for my time, and yeah, this is day one, and let's see what is the day one puzzle. So this is a Hysteria. So over here it says what this puzzle is all about, that if you solve puzzle, then it includes two steps, part one and part two. Each one of them will provide you with 1 star. If you solve both one of them, you will get 2 points. And at the end of the advent, you need to get 50 stars in order to complete everything. So that the day one puzzle, what it is a senior historian is missing, and they are searching him out. And yeah, so this is your puzzle input. This kind of way that you have one number and the second number, and you need to sort them out somehow. So that the first thing is that you need to sort them from smallest to bigger, and then you need to find what is the distance between the shortest and the longest one. So that if in the left side the smallest number is 1, and in the right side the smallest number is 3, so that the distance between them is 2. So this is how it is, and with the example input, the total distance is 11. And this is the example input, and we also have a real input. Let's solve it first for the example input. All right, I will take this example input, and I put it over here. So I have made something. Let's clear everything. So over here on the left side, here on the right side, I have the inputs, and over here is the code that I will be writing. So let's see if everything works. Let's try to solve it. So it was that you need to sort the left side distances and the right side distances from smallest to biggest, and then find the distances between the left and the right side, and then add them up. All right. First of all, let's see if everything works over here. Let's write something, and right. Print x dot strip. Yes. Let's see if everything works. Let's see if I can have the input. Yes, their inputs are showing really nicely. So I need to convert them to the integers, and then I need to sort them, and then just find the absolute value between the first and the second number. All right, let's do it. I guess we need two arrays. Let's call it array 1 and array 2. Let's initialize them, and I don't know. Let's call some. Let's split the input. So let's call it somehow splitted equals x dot split, and then let's do array 1 dot append. So it is let's keep them as integers. Int splitted 0, and let's do the same thing for array 2. Array 2 splitted. All right. Let's see if everything is okay. Print. Let's print it like that. For I in range length array 1. Let's do print array 1 I. Then let's put a semicolon and let's see array 2 I. Let's see that everything will be nicely converted into computer object. Let's see if everything, yes, so we got them to our object. Now we can also do so that we do array 1 dot sort. Let's do array 2 dot sort, and let's see if the input is nicely. Yes, everything is sorted. Now we just need to find the distance between the left and the right side of those numbers, and let's give some variable. Let's call it sum equals 0, and now let's do that so that the sum let's add them up. Let's put some absolute value. It will be how it is, array 2 should be mostly the bigger numbers, so let it be first, and the second one is array 1 I, and then let's print sum. All right, it should work like that. Let's see what it gives us. 11. All right, very good. What was the correct answer was for the example. So let's take the real data. Let's add it over here. Let's run it again. All right, I got some big number, some 3 million, and it ends at 916. Let's see, 916. Yes. So this is the correct answer. Yes, it wasn't really difficult, but let's go to the part 2 now. Your analyze only confirmed what everyone feared. The two lists of locations are indeed very different. So what we need to do is this time we need to see how many times in the first list, if there's a number, how many times it occurs on the right list. So that the first number is 3. This 3 occurs here 1, 2, 3 times. The second 4. Appears 1 time in the right side of the list. 2 does not appear in the right side. 1 does not appear in the right side. 3 again the 3 appears 1, 2, 3 times in the right side, and the last 3 also appears 3 times in the right side. Yeah. So this is how the part 2 goes. And then you add them up, and you will get the similarity code. All right, let's try to do the part 2 now. So we need to find how many times the similar thing happened in the right side. All right, let's put the test data to the input again. Let's clear up everything over here. We don't need any sorting, and I don't think that we need. Okay, let's keep the arrays like they are. I don't know if I need to convert them to the ints. I don't think so. I don't like them being int. I like them to be strings. So I clear up this int. All right, we don't need any sorting. And if we have, so it is for every element in the left side of the list, we have to check how many times they are in the right side of the list. So we don't need to check if the number 3 already occurred. So we don't need to keep track of have we checked something or not. So how it is? So it is. So we have I is from the range of the length of the array 1. So we will have, I don't know, let's go some variables, I don't know, call it somehow vals maybe. Let's see, that vals is array 1 I, wait, it is array 2 dot count array 1 I. So or maybe let's call it occurrences array 2 dot count. And now what it is, let's call it the sum plus equals, it is occurrences multiplied by the value of the value in the first array. So it should be int array 1 I, like this. Should everything be okay like that? I think it should work. Let's see if it works. $31. What was the number over here? It was also 30 now, 31. And if we take the test data, let's clip it over here and let's run it. I think it should work. Wait, I debugged the wrong file. Yes, some big number that ends with 428, and yeah, that was it. So yeah, this is the first day in the Advent of Code puzzle. I made myself this kind of my own Advent of Code calendar, so that every day I try to wake up at the correct time. Over here where I am, it starts at 7 o'clock in the morning. Did I solve the first puzzle? Did I solve the second puzzle? Did I make a video about it? And did I refactor my code? I will still refactor my code, and it is available in my GitHub page, so you can see the link in the description. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you liked it, and we'll see you next time.